Welcome back, guys. So today was a real sad week. We gave back just about all of our gains. I'm just joking. It was actually like 14%, which sucks. I got hit with a max loss in one of my plays this week, and I didn't hedge the way I should have, and I really got burnt for it. Now, it's really not the end of the world considering over the last 2 months or so, we're up about 150%. So we gave some back. What I really want to do is review my plays for the week and figure out what I could have done better. And the truth is, since I created this 10K account, I've been redlining it every day, basically maxing out the risk and position size I can use, just so I can have these big YouTube thumbnails like how I made 30% in a week or how I lost 14%. So let's go ahead and get into it so maybe you can learn from my mistakes. So my first play of the week was on AutoZone, which I actually already uploaded a full earnings DD on. Funny thing about this play is I was actually 100% right about their earnings performance. They crushed it, and then they rallied about 4% the next day. So the next day, all I had to do was get a fill and cash out. Well, the problem was I couldn't get a fill, and AutoZone just kept heading down. As the market-wide panic continued, I eventually had to just cut losses and get away from the position, taking a $700 loss. But that's okay, because I told everyone to hedge in my AutoZone DD, and that's exactly what I did. Except with Nike.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
Yeah, so Nike reported earnings and, I quote, had blockbuster sales, and seeing an almost 14% rally in the days following their earnings report. My pseudo-hedge CCS was almost immediately blown up for a max loss of $3,600 before I even had an opportunity to exit. So I guess the lesson here is if you're trying to be a serious trader, don't hedge an earnings play with another earnings play like some kind of Wall Street bets dipshit. Be an adult and buy calls on the VIX. So pretty much the only thing that saved the 10K account this week from blowing up was the fact that I am so rigorous about position sizing. My other plays were pretty much just some small wins on Costco for the earnings run up, and that is about it. This account is still up about 130% overall, so it's really not that big of a deal. It's just a speeding ticket in the grand scheme of things. And hopefully next week will go a little bit better. So make sure you're subscribed. All of my plays are time sensitive, so you're going to want them the second they come out. Turn on notifications so you know right away. Finally, if you're looking for a good broker, a good source of stock market news, or a good source of options flow, I have referral links for all of those down below. And if you use my referral links, we both get a bonus, which is awesome for both of us. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's make some money this week.